Just all parts of who I am as an erotic being really got to play and get practice so that I could go out into my life, feel really comfortable and confident in being my erotic self.
When I attended Pleasure Island Experience, I really felt my blueprint of that shapeshifter part of me settle in. And I realized oh, I feel at home in this community.
My experience of Pleasure Island was I came with a partner who was kind of questioning, especially kinky and shapeshifter also, what is that? Is that real? And he got to actually see it in my body. And afterward was okay, I believe it's real. My blueprint is real.
I noticed that a lot of my sexuality and sexual expression was hidden or in isolation, and stepping into a space where everything is in the open allowed me to embrace all parts of me.
This is life-changing.
You get to go at your own pace, play and explore your own edges.
Like a transcendent experience.
I've never, ever experienced something like this.
This is where it happens.
Being unapologetic in the way that I want to love, the way that I want to play, the way that I want to express.
If you're newer or if you're experienced, this is an incredible place to be.
The message is so clear. How often are you ever going to get a chance for this kind of experience?
Everything from tears to laughter to joy and everything in between. And that's massive. That's major.
If you're on the fence, I highly encourage you to really feel into your courageous heart and make the choice for you.